Hey, my dear friends, we'll talk something about individualism today. I'm not so much confined or interested in individualism. Actually, I don't like individualism, but to some extent, it is required. I always like to have a collective consciousness and collective awareness and to live as a community, to live as a global community. That's what I like always. But the change in the individuals together will make up a change in the society. If individuals change themselves, it will bring a lot of changes in the whole community as such. If there is change in the personality of an individual, it creates so much of change in his herd or group. He can influence the people around him. He or she can influence the people around him. For example, an Indian has got a gold medal in javelin throw in Olympics. His victory has created such a great, huge impact among the Indians. Our Indian population is so huge that if a single person could create such a great, huge impact on such a huge population of Indians, it will inculcate some interest, induce some interest in the minds of people, the minds of Indians, wherein they will put efforts to achieve something great in their lives. If he could win a gold medal, each and every Indian on earth is capable of achieving the same greatness, achieving the same success. Each and every individual, each and every Indian is capable of doing that. Only he has to realize that and take constant great efforts in achieving his goal. First, we have to set our goal. It is quite sunny today. We have to set our goal first, then work towards achieving that particular goal. You can even split the goals into small goals, wherein it is easily achievable and within a short period of time. So you can set a goal to achieve tomorrow, in a week, in a month, few months, in a year, and so on. You can split the goals into short terms, the time it requires to accomplish that particular goal. So in that way, each goal accomplishment will create such a great boost. It will give you a great mental boost. It will encourage you to pursue much more things to indulge in, wherein you will try and put in more efforts in achieving the other goals that you have set for yourself. So first set the goals, split it into small goals, achievable. You feel that you can do it. Split it into few goals and see if you have taken enough steps to achieve it each day. How far you have accomplished your goal. Just reiterate the steps that you have done. If it is not proper, in a different way, different methodology, and try to find out the results until you get the desired results. Always have that enthu, always have that happiness in doing things that you like the most. So when you follow your heart's desire, you can achieve your goals so easily. Thank you, my dear friends. Have a great day. This is the happiest day in your life. My babies are so active. Babies, where you have gone? We are always busy. Thank you, my dear friends.